Welcome! If you want to stay up to date with your favorite company pages or business updates on LinkedIn, enabling notifications for pages is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on page notifications on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Me icon. This is where your profile picture appears. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn. Inside the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see all the notification settings related to pages you follow or manage. To enable notifications, find the toggle next to Allow Page Notifications. Switch it to the On position. This will activate notifications for updates, invitations, and activity from pages you're interested in. You can also customize which types of notifications you want to receive, such as updates, invitations, activity on pages you manage, insights, and more. Simply adjust the toggles according to your preferences. If you ever want to stop receiving these notifications, just return to this section and switch the toggle off. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll never miss important updates from your favorite LinkedIn pages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your notification settings regularly to stay connected with the latest trends and opportunities on LinkedIn.